What's good, YouTube? This is Kevin Wyland, and today I'm bringing you a display box of the new set, Legendary Duelist Season 1. So we have a total of 8. So we're going to be opening up today for you guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total of 8 to open up for you guys. So comment down below what we're going to get, and let's get right into this, right? Alright, first box, everybody. We're just going to open them all up, and then we're going to open the packs. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 promos. Let's see what we get. So we get Gearfried, Thousand Eyes, we got a Red Eyes Baby, Red Eyes Slash, another Iron Knight, another Chain, and a Red Eyes Dragon. So is that a play set? Huh. So that is a play set of the Red Eyes Fusions, or the Red Eyes Gearfried Iron Knight, and 2 baby dragons. That's not too bad, eh? Alright, we'll open up those in the end to see what promos we get. So for the first pack of Legendary Duelist Season 1. So we got Tomb Barrel, Barrel Dragon, Amazon, Crystal, Red Eyes Fusion. Ooh, what is that? Purple Toon Table? Purple Amazon Call. And a Cursed Dragon. And then we have Photon, Toon, Crystal, Red Eyes Insight, Ancient Gear, Crystal, Rainbow, Cyber Dark Edge, Toon Buster Blader, Rainbow Dark Dragon. Alright. Sorry about that, dogs are barking, people coming in. Alright, second pack. Another Toon, another Release, another Insight, Gear Golem, Red Eyes Darkness, Volcano, Rage of the Kairyu-Shin, Return of the Red Eyes, Toon Buster. Oh, here it is. The new Arata Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon. You guys need to read it, go ahead. Alright, and then for our Ultras, we got a blue Rainbow Bridge, and a blue Amazon Call, and a Kyrie Fusion set. Alright. And then Red Eyes. Alright, so I'm not going to go over the commons. We're just going to blaze right through it and see what we get. You guys already know what the commons are. So, let's see. Alright, and we got a blue Toon Table, a blue Ultimate Crystal Magic, and a Machine Revengeance. So that's for those. Next pack. Alright, we got Ultimate Crystalline Magic Green. Ooh, look at that green crystal bond. That's pretty. And then the rare is the Fury of Karyushin. Sorry for butchering that name. Alright, next pack. We got a blue Amazon Tiger, a blue Rainbow Overdragon, and another Fury. I guess you want to say it. I guess you could say that is a Fury of 3 packs. No? Okay. Next pack. Alright, and we got a purple Toon Table, a purple Heavy Metal Raiders, and a Cursed Dragon. Alright, next pack. Alright, we got a blue Toon Table. I believe that's a blue Ultimate Crystal Magic. And a Muffled Rabby. Yo, let's see what we can get. I'm looking for the red eyes, the mostly blue red eyes. So hopefully I pull one. This. We got a purple Overdragon, a Cursed Dragon, and a purple Amazon Baby Tiger. We got a purple Relinquished. Oh, we got another purple Crystal Bond. Let's see if we get all 3 in the different rarities, huh? That'd be kind of cool. For this video, that'd be neat. Got a green Rainbow, green Citadel Whale, and another Melfi Rebby. Alright, we got a blue Toon Table. Ooh, and a blue Red Eyes Flare Metal. And a Cursed Dragon. Oh, insert you guys the rest of those. Alright, we're down to the last 5 packs. This should be pack number 5. And we got 4 left after this. Alright, so we got a Heavy Metal Raiders purple, a Desperado purple, and another Melfi Rabbit. We got Toon there. Alright, we got a blue Amazon's Call, a blue Rainbow Bridge, and another Melfi Rabbit. So many Melfi Rabbies, and so many of the Furies. Alright, we're down to 3 packs, everybody. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we can end with something good. Alright, so we got a green Ultimate Crystal, a green Relinquished Fusion, and another Melfi Rabbit. Dang, the bunnies are loving me today, eh? Oh, we got a purple Millennial, purple Toon, and another Melfi Rabbit. How many Melfi Rabbies is that so far? Comment down below. Alright, we're down to the final pack of the Legendary Duelist Season 1. Still no red eyes. That's kind of sad. Alright, we got an Ultimate Crystal Green, a green Amazon Baby Tiger, and a Fury of the Kairi Sand. Rounding off the Ultra. Alright, and then let's see what we get for our promos, huh? Let's see which tokens do we get in today. Here's the red eyes, and we got a Joey. The red eyes and the Bandit Keith. Red eyes and a My Valentine. Here's the other red eyes and a Weevil. And another Bandit. Maximilian Pegasus. Another Joey. Alright, and for the final one is another Maximilian Pegasus. So, that's going to round it off. I'll stay tuned. I will be back and we will sort these out and see what we got. Alright guys, and we're back. Here is the update of what we pulled from our display box. So here are the tokens. We got the one Revel, the one Mai, the 2 Joeys, the 2 Bandits, and the 2 Maximilian Pegasus. As for the secrets that we pulled out, you could get one of each. We end up getting 1, 2, 3. Giffrey the Red Eyes Iron Knight. 1, 2 Red Eyes Baby. 1 of each of the Fang, Slash, and Millennium Restrict. So here are the ultra rares that we pulled. These we pulled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Melfi Rabbies. Next we pulled 1, 2, 3, 4 of the Cursed Dragons. Only 1 of the Machine Ravengers. We end up pulling each of the rarity of the Amazon Baby Tiger, blue, purple, and green. And then we only got one Citadel Whale green, one Desperado purple, one Millennium Illusionist purple, and then we end up getting 1, 2, 3 of the Rainbow Overdragon of each color: green, purple, and blue. Only one blue Red Eyes Metal. We got him getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Fury of Kairishin. Next, for the crystals, we got one of each of the crystal bond, green and purple. No blue, but that's still not bad for a display box. We end up getting 2 Rainbow Bridge blue, 2 Relinquished Fusions purple and green, 2 purple Metal Raiders, Heavy Metal Raiders, 2 Amazon Calls purple, blue, and 1 purple. So that's grand total 3. Next, we got 2 purple tune tables, 2 blue tune tables, 1 blue tune world, 1 purple tune world, and then we end up getting 3 green Ultimate Crystal Magic and 2 Ultimate Crystal Magic Blue. So we got a grand total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yes, this is the opening of my display box of the Legendary Duelist Season 1. Please leave a comment down below, like, share, and catch you next time. See ya. Kevin Weiland out.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand.